Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Revolut, a popular fintech app that allows you to send and receive money in different currencies. One of the things that Revolut is known for is its ability to automatically choose the right currency for you when you make a transaction. But does it really work? And if so, how does it work? In this video, I'm going to answer these questions and more. I'll also be sharing some of my own experiences with using Revolut and how I've found it to be a helpful tool for managing my finances. So, if you're interested in learning more about Revolut and how it can help you, then please stick around. What is Revolut? Before we get into the nitty-gritty of whether or not Revolut automatically chooses the right currency, let's take a quick look at what Revolut is. Revolut is a fintech app that allows you to send and receive money in different currencies. It also offers a number of other features, such as a debit card that you can use to make purchases in over 150 countries, the ability to set up virtual cards for online shopping, a currency exchange service that allows you to convert your money at competitive rates, a subscription service that gives you access to additional features, such as travel insurance and rewards. How does Revolut choose the right currency? Now, let's get to the question that everyone is here to answer. Does Revolut automatically choose the right currency? The answer is yes. Revolut does automatically choose the right currency for you when you make a transaction. It does this by using a number of factors, such as the currency of the account you're sending money to, the currency of the merchant you're making a purchase from, your location. Revolut will also use your past transaction history to determine the best currency to use. For example, if you've made a lot of transactions in a particular currency in the past, Revolut is more likely to choose that currency for your next transaction. Here are a few examples of how Revolut might automatically choose the right currency for you. You're sending money to your friend in the United States. Revolut will automatically choose USD as the currency. You're making a purchase from an online retailer in Japan. Revolut will automatically choose JPY as the currency. You're traveling to Europe and using your Revolut card to make a purchase. Revolut will automatically choose the currency of the country you're in. Does Revolut always choose the right currency? While Revolut does a good job of automatically choosing the right currency, it's not always perfect. There may be times when you'll want to manually choose a different currency. Here are a few reasons why you might want to do this. You're traveling to a country where the currency is not supported by Revolut. You want to lock in a particular exchange rate. You're making a large transaction and want to avoid being charged a currency conversion fee. If you want to manually choose a currency, you can simply select the currency you want from the drop-down menu when making a transaction. What are the benefits of using Revolut? There are a number of benefits to using Revolut, including no currency conversion fees. Revolut will always charge you the mid-market exchange rate, which is the same rate that you would get if you were to exchange currency at a bank or currency exchange. Low transaction fees. Revolut charges very low transaction fees, making it a great option for people who send and receive money frequently. Easy to use. Revolut is a very user-friendly app that is easy to set up and use. Available in many countries. Revolut is available in over 35 countries around the world. What are the drawbacks of using Revolut? There are also a few drawbacks to using Revolut, including not available in all countries. Revolut is not available in every country in the world. Limited customer support. Revolut's customer support is not as extensive as some other banks and financial institutions. Not as widely accepted as some other payment methods. Revolut is not as widely accepted as some other payment methods, such as credit cards and debit cards. Overall, I think Revolut is a great option for people who want to send and receive money in different currencies. It's easy to use, affordable, and offers a number of features that make it a valuable tool for managing your finances.